recording. All right. So today's topic is we are going to learn on, form controls, how to use form controls in Excel. Okay. So when we say form controls, we would be requiring this developer tab over here at the top. So under the developer tabs, you see you have got your insert option where you get all form controls. This is on base of Excel and this is on the base of macros. What we write that is through the VBA scripting stuff. Okay. So today we are going to learn about this form controls at the upper ones. All right. Now, what if this particular tabular developer tab is not available? By default, most of the, Excels would not be having it. So for that, go to the file under options, right? You have the option called as customize ribbon. Okay. I'll show once again. Go to the file, go to the options, customize ribbon, and here this would be turned off. What do you need to do? Under the main tab section, you need to just tick mark the developers tab, and then click on OK. So you'll find your developer tab over here. All right. So there are different types of form controls. Now, for example, if we talk about this is combo box. This is checkbox. Third one is called as pin button. The fourth one is list box. Fifth is option button. So by this way, we are going to learn all these options. Okay. We are going to learn all these options. So I have created different sheets here where you'll find all types of options, which you need to follow, create it, and use it. Okay. So when we say combo box, how it works, what it does. Okay. So if I drag this way, you see this is a combo box. Can someone tell me, looking into this particular form control, we have already created it or practiced it? Where? Anyone? Yes.
Sir, list, sir.
What list? Where you find this list? You need to answer us completely. As a data validation list, you mean to say, correct?
Data validation.
Yes, yes. Data validation list. Perfect. But here we are giving on to the form of form control. So what is the difference we will see now? So once you click on insert and you'll bring this combo box. When I right click this, you see I have got an option called as form control, the last option. So when I click on this, I'll get this pop-up window, which I have shown here into the screenshot. Okay. So under this, you see you have got control input range. So it is asking to provide, if you have to create a list, provide the input range. So my range would be all the cities. And then I'll go to link the cell. I'll click it. I'll link the cell on H1. So what does it mean? Input range, cell link H1 and click on OK. So what exactly we are doing is, first we provided the list so that it will be applied into load. We can load into your form control. And once we trigger it, once we click on it, you see I'll get my list. When I say Pune, it will be placed as the cell link will be 1. So it's number 1. Why it is? Because it goes on to this order. So it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we have got 10. So 10 cities. So till 10. So what is the help? What is the use of this number? Okay. How we can make use of it? So whenever you want to give an end user is the one who is going to use your chart or a dashboard or whom to you are going to create or for yourself. What do you do? Let's say if you select Pune, there should be an automated thing where the result or the output should reflect only for that selected city. In that case, let's create an view where any selection what we make dynamically, it should reflect only that particular result. So for that, what we'll do, we need to create a database. Now let's say we have got here city, male and female population. Let me take it into the new page. I'll paste it here. All right. So this is city with a set of population. Now let's consider this as a database. You have got this database and you are going to use this to create your view. View is your graphs and charts. All right. Okay. Now let's create a form control. But before creating a form control, we want to utilize this here in an automated process, as I said. So how I'm going to do automators, I no need of, bringing all the names this time. Why? Yes. Let's say this is male and female population, and this should change. This should change as per our drop down list. Okay. So how to go? Go to the developer, choose it, create it, place it. Okay. So this is my form control. Okay. Right click, form control, input range, give this range, cell link, link this, click on OK. Now, when I click on this, I've got Pune C, the number is 1. Now, I want to apply a logic that whenever there is Pune selected, here Pune should reflect. When I click on Mumbai, here Mumbai should reflect. When I select Nasik, Nasik should be selected. So, which would be the formula here? Anyone could? Yes. Which formula will help me to bring the same result what here we have selected? Can anyone try or tell me fast?
Formula, sir.
Yes.
Sir, equals to cell reference, sir.
Equals to cell reference. Which cell you want to give it?
Yes, sir. K1, sir.
J1 if I give, what will be the answer? 1. What we want the answer? Pune, right? We want city. City names.
Yes, sir.
How you are going to do it? Which function is going to help you to bring, when it is selected as 1, the answer should be Pune. Yes, Sagar, Lakshmi Putra, Karthik. Which is the function it is going to help you guys to get here result as Pune? Yes. All right. It's, see, when you are assigning a value to it, yes, when you are assigning Pune as 1, so what it states, you can meet this answers through your conditions, right, guys? Think logically.
Sir, I have 1 minute, sir. I have answer. Match, sir. Match function.
Match function. Okay. Equals to match. Lookup value would be here.
Pune. Lookup value will be Pune, sir. 1, sir. 1.
Where you want to look into it? Where is the table array for it? Lookup array.
Lookup array will be.
Where will be the one number
Pune.
to look up here?
No, sir. Lookup value will be Pune, sir.
Sir,
Okay. Which cell
lookup
number?
value will be
Tell me the cell number for
K,
Pune.
K1, sir.
Hmm?
K1, sir. K1.
It is a form controlled here. How you are going to apply here?
sir, C4, sir.
That becomes your table array. How you, See, this becomes your table array. So this will be your reference through which it has to pick the results and bring back, right? You can't give this as a
Yes, sir.
lookup value.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Then,
J1,
Table.
J1 sir. J2 sir. Sorry.
yes,
J2 sir.
Sagar, Karthik,
Sir J2 sir.
J2. It will
Yes
be
sir.
1. Okay.
Sir, lookup array is a city sir. Mumbai, Pune, Nasik. We have to
Yeah, but
select
what
all
you're
results.
looking at, you're looking at 1 and you're seeing Pune, all those things. So do you find in this way anywhere 1, 2, 3, 4? Yes. Is it possible? No.
No, sir.
Then simple guys, when you're assigning Pune as 1, why can't we start with us like if? Yes.
Yes.
There is one more way. What does the index do? What does the index say? Yes. What is the definition of index? Function. Hmm? It is asking for array, right? The resultant column gave it,
Yes, sir.
comma, row number. Finish. That's it. See, a small index formula can help us and gives us big results. See,
Yes, sir.
just first think what is the requirement and which function would help us to get this result. Okay. So when you say 1, you're applying this 1 over here, right? Automatically index number requires the row number. As the number changes, it will check the position and that particular position, for example, 2. So here you have got 2 as Mumbai. When you say Nasik, you have got 3. Bangalore, you have got 4. Got it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is how it works.
Yes sir.
All right. The same thing you can do it for male population also. Now, when you say here Pune, you should get this results of male and female population. When you say Mumbai, you need to get this. Now, which formula is going to help us now?
Male population.
Yeah, male population. Here 87 should reflect as it is right now Pune. So Pune male population should reflect. Fast.
Look up, sir. Look up.
Okay, let's see. Look up. Look up. Lookup value would be this one. Why? Because it is going to change. According to this, according to the name of here, whatever the name of the city will be here after selection of this,
Yes.
it should change. What would be the lookup vector? What is lookup vector here? Arvind,
Look up city, sir.
Sagar, Karthik. Yeah, Lakshmi, good.
Look up vector city.
Hmm?
Look up vector city column, sir.
Very good. So lookup vector will be your city column. Obviously, the resultant vector would be what you want?
Yes,
Male
sir. That.
population. Yep. See, we got an answer. We got an answer as 97. Why? Why 97? Actually, it should be 87.
87, sir.
Then where we went wrong, tell me.
I4. Sir. Sir, resultant vector D4, D13. Okay. C4, D13. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Sir,
Yeah.
absolute not there sir, in formula.
Hmm?
Absolute will be not there, sir. Absolute approximate not there.
Absolute. No. Here you see I4. I'm talking about, I'm not going to paste anywhere to make it absolute or fixed, right? The
No,
result
sir.
I
Approximate the 0, 1 not there. No, sir.
in lookup where you have got this. Now, see the syntax here. Lookup value, lookup vector, result vector. If I don't give result vector, if I give only the lookup vector, what would be the answer then? See, it's saying Hyderabad. Why?
Sir, here Pune it is.
Yes. See,
It taking below last second, sir.
if you see this, simple as that. Yeah. See, here we have used the index option. Here also we can use the index one, where we are seeing in the index B17 to B26 and comma, what we are seeing here, see, G17. What is G17 here? The link which is, cell link which we have applied is G7. Simple. Yes. When it can bring Ratlam or any city from index, then why can't male population?
Yes, sir.
Then it's simple, right? When it is, see, the same logic when it is getting applied here and getting the results, why can't we continue with the same with this too? Yeah. Why to make things more complicated, right? So it is very easy to do it. So follow the same, right? So instead of here selecting as array as Pune, select this now this time. Simple. Comma, row number, give this one. That's it. Same. Now, if you want, you can just absolute it. When you're saying D4 or J2, make this as absolute. Row fixed, column fixed, right? Absolute. Now make this absolute. Press enter. Copy this. For female, we want female array. See, it shifted to female array. As we have locked this, it couldn't move. Simple. Your job is done now. Now you see, I'll select this, go to the insert. I'll go to the chart. Now, I'll just place it here. Now, whenever I change it, it dynamically changes. Making sense? Done?
Yes, sir.
For this,
Yes, sir.
I'll make it white to hide. So it looks like a pure chart now. From where it is working in the back end. From where it is pulling the data from your database here. Data table. Clear? Getting it?
Yes,
Yes?
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is how it works when it comes to the part of form control. Just click here, go to your layout, data labels, outside end. You'll find that changing the numbers here, which makes it easy to understand. This is male and female population. All right, this is one form control. The logic will remains the same. Only the method or the interface what you're going to give is going to change. Here you see, here also we have got male and female population, but here we have gotten a tick mark. Which one you want to showcase or which you want to hide it. Now you can just apply. Turn on and turn off. So this is called as checkbox, right? Again, the form control comes into the picture. Again, you'll have to, you know, apply it. Okay, like let's see the same, how to create it. Let's take the same database here and we create the form control here now. Go to the developer tab, insert. Let's check, use the checkbox. So I have taken two checkbox here. For this, I'll edit text. and I'll name this as male population. And this side, right click, edit text, select all. This becomes female. Now I've got my two checkbox. Now I'll go back to the form control. So in this form control, what we have now, we have got control like unchecked and checked. Okay, we need to connect to a cell. Like I'll choose this here. Yep, that is for unchecked. Now when I check it, it will change to true. If I uncheck it, it becomes false. True, false. True, false. Same thing I'm going to apply for this. Format control, cell link, give the particular cell. Just close it. Now, same. So you see, when I'm checking in, it's true. When I'm checking out, is false. Yeah. So what would be our next step here? We want to create the same table with the check mark. It should work, right? So we'll paste it here. Now, what we need to write? We need to write something here through which if I click on mail, only mail should reflect. If I uncheck, it should become automatically blank. Yeah, that is our motto, right? See, what is happening here when I click on uncheck on mail, so your mail data is not reflected. When it will be happen when you delete that data or when you remove that data or when you make it blank, those particular cells, when you are creating this, view. Got it clear? Making sense? Any doubts, Lakshmi, Karthik, Sagar, Arvind? Yes? All right. Yeah, you can mute it if you don't want to answer.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, how we can highlight the if we click on male population, sir,
Sorry?
how
Voice, raise your
visually?
voice. I guess you are traveling. No.
No, sir. If we click on male population, sir,
Hmm.
then how we can hide and unhide the results?
That's what my question is. You're asking the same one to me. I am asking is what is the logic you're going to apply when when here the mail is selected, it should reflect the mail or it should go blank. If you would have practiced logical formulas, you people, you would have answered this. Okay. You are asking me the same answer to me only. If you'd have see here directly it is mentioning true or false. True or
Yes, sir. False.
false. Getting my point? So true or
Yes,
false,
sir.
where you find this kind of answers, true or false?
Yes, sir. If find match, sir, true or false, sir. If function.
That's what Sagar and Arvind have to practice that, all these chapters. Okay, then only you'll come to know. So the logic is when you say male population is turned on, if it is true means the answer should be resulting true. If it is false means it should be blank. Simple. So use the if function, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Use the if function. Okay. Right. Lakshmi, can you help me now? How to do it?
If, sir, is equal to
Yes,
if.
if. Let's say if.
Logical test.
What is the logical test you want to pass?
Male population.
Hmm. If, what if? If this particular cell is
Yes, sir.
equal to true. So
Yes.
you will write it in this into inverted commas or not? Let's say true. Then what? Then you need to showcase this value, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
For Pune, give this as result. Yeah. If it is false,
Yes, sir.
give a blank and see what happens. So it is not reflecting. Why? What we have seen, true. And what we are seeing here is I7. I7 is your true. And here you have written as true.
True.
So we need to write within the quotes or directly we need to mention. What do you suggest?
Actually. Sir, first D4 comes first.
First,
Afterwards, true. D4, sir.
D4.
Afterwards, true, sir.
How? D4 is resultant value. D4 is 87. This is what we want here, right? First, you need to pass the logical test. What is the logical test here? What is the requirement here? We are saying that if this is particular true, true means what? Check mark. Understand it. What result we want to get? We want to get the result of male population here. When you click on male population, check mark, what was going to happen? It should provide the results of male population, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Arvind,
Yes,
Sagar,
sir.
Sagar,
Yes, sir.
Sagar. So what I'm saying is when you check mark this, we will get the result of all the male
Male population.
population of yes. So when you're saying true, when in if logic, when true is equal to this particular cell should be true, then only it should reflect as 87 or else blank. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. If logical test, when I say logical test here, if what we are saying, logical test, if this particular cell, what is this particular cell is at I17 is greater than equal to, what you are saying, greater than equal to or equal to? Only equal to.
Equal to, sir, only.
Equal to true, comma, if it is true, then answer should be 87. Why?
Yes,
Because
sir.
Pune. This is Pune. So the answer male population
Yes,
should
sir.
be 87. If it is false, it should be blank. See, I've got my answer as 87 now.
Yes.
Clear? The same way I'll apply
Yes,
it.
sir. That,
Yeah. If I press Control D, see, I need to lock this. Which one? I-17. F4. Absolute to copy here and paste it. I got my answers. All right.
yes,
Same thing I can follow for this. So I'll copy the same function here. So instead of this cell, I'll shift it here. Rest all. And here what I need to do, instead of, yeah, I'll copy this function, I'll paste it here. Now you see it is blank. When I click it, I'll get my results. Got it? Male, true, false, don't show, true, showcase. Don't show, showcase. Clear?
yes, sir.
Now select the data, go to the insert, shapes, not shapes. I need to insert a bar chart or a comparison, any chart. whichever is suitable. Now you see, it's easy to showcase. Clear? Clear,
Yes, sir.
everyone? Arvind, Sagar, Lakshmi. Yes?
Sir, that automatically comes, sir, map.
See, what is map? Map is nothing but providing the data, not here. You need to provide the input to it to showcase in the visualization. Simple. See, I'll show you. I have selected this. Go to the insert bar, select it. See. Okay. Let's select the data. Let's consider both are true at the first. I'll select the whole data. Go to insert, create the column chart. Now, if you see, I've got my data ready with me and my chart also. See that what happens, how it works. When I uncheck it, it becomes false. All becomes should blank. That is what condition is. That's it. See,
Yes, sir.
this is how it is
Yes,
working.
sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. I don't want to go further today. I want you guys to use this form controls and practice it and try to apply logic, right?
Okay,
Understand
sir.
the requirement, understand the functions, recall your functions, which function, what is the definition of it, and how and which situation can help us to get the results. There are multiple ways to get these results, but which is suitable and which is the easiest method to follow that. Okay. And try to think, and recall it. Take a note down, take a paper, take a pen, understand the question, break down that question. Then you'll automatically come to know which function is going to help you to get this kind of results. This is how you need to keep an habit of practicing it. Then only in the live scenarios or situations when you start to work, you'll get an idea which function is going to help you. Okay.
Okay.
All right, go ahead, practice this and send me the workbooks, yours, whatever your practice, or send me the screenshots or send me the comments on. Okay, right?
Okay.
Perfect. So I'm stopping here. Tomorrow again, we'll continue with the rest of the form controls. All remains the same. The logic is same behind using the form control by right clicking and choosing the control and applying it. But how to do it, we'll see the rest of the part tomorrow. So today you practice with combo box and checkbox. Tomorrow we'll finish with the rest like spin button, list box, radio, label, group box, and scroll. All right. After practicing these two, try to go to the spin button and try to create of your own. Let's see who will do it. All right.
Okay, sir.
And come up with your results. Yeah, perfect. All right. Bye
Sir,
bye, guys. Have a good day.
sir, hello, sir. Sir.